Keeping your engine running smoothly in 2025 means paying attention to the details, especially fuel injectors. Over time, carbon deposits and buildup can clog your injectors, reducing fuel efficiency, causing rough idling, and even leading to long-term engine damage. That's where fuel injector cleaners come in. These additives are designed to dissolve deposits, restore optimal spray patterns, and improve overall engine performance. Whether you drive a high-mileage vehicle, a performance car, or simply want to maintain peak fuel economy, a reliable fuel injector cleaner can make a noticeable difference. In this guide, we've rounded up the top 5 best fuel injector cleaners of 2025 based on performance, compatibility, user reviews, and value for money. Let's dive in and find out which product deserves a spot in your garage this year. Gumout 5 1001 3W-6PK. The Gumout 5 1001-3W-6PK fuel injector cleaner is a high-mileage focused formula priced at around $22 for a 6-pack, approximately $3.67 per 6-ounce bottle, making it excellent value for drivers with older vehicles. This product specifically targets engines clocking more than 75,000 miles, working to dissolve stubborn carbon deposits on injectors, intake valves, and ports, ultimately restoring engine smoothness, throttle response, and fuel economy. A standout feature is its universal fit. It's safe for use in turbocharged and supercharged engines, and doesn't interfere with oxygen sensors or catalytic converters, ensuring no voiding of OEM warranties. The manufacturer recommends adding 1 bottle to a nearly empty tank and refilling, up to about 21 gallons. Then repeating the process every 3,000 miles for best results. User reviews consistently report smoother idling, quicker throttle response, and even fuel economy boosts, typically gaining between 0.5 to 2 miles per gallon after treatment. One Amazon reviewer observed, "Works great in my 2015 SUV, smooths out idle and better response," while a Walmart reviewer noted immediate performance gains. Instantly restores responsiveness. Truck drove better. Reddit consensus is mixed. Some users call it snake oil, but agree it at least does no harm. In conclusion, the Gumout 5 10013W-6PK delivers reliable cleaning power targeted at high-mileage vehicles. Its oxygen sensor-safe, turbo-friendly formulation, backed by positive real-world feedback, makes it a smart, wallet-friendly choice for routine maintenance, especially if your engine shows signs of carbon buildup. Chevron Techron. The Chevron Techron Complete Fuel System Cleaner offers a premium solution for maintaining a healthy fuel system at about $42 for a 6-pack of 12-ounce bottles, roughly $7 per bottle, making it a smart investment for drivers seeking long-term engine performance. At its core, Techron delivers a powerful PEA-based cleaning formula designed to tackle stubborn carbon buildup throughout the entire fuel system, covering injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and even combustion chambers. One tankful can noticeably restore lost power, throttle response, and fuel economy, while also smoothing out rough idle, hesitation, and spark plug fouling. One prominent advantage of Techron is its ability to improve cold start performance and stabilize fuel for up to a year, an especially attractive feature for vehicles that sit idle seasonally. It's also safe for sensitive components like fuel gauge sensors, catalytic converters, and oxygen sensors. Routine use, recommended every 3,000 miles or at each oil change for automobiles and trucks, helps sustain peak engine efficiency and prevent recurrence of deposits. Real-world feedback supports Techron's effectiveness. Many users, including ASE-certified mechanics, report butter-smooth engine operation, easier acceleration, reduced engine knock, and even restoration of clean metal surfaces in combustion chambers. In summary, though pricier than generic alternatives, Chevron Techron justifies its cost with comprehensive engine care. Its deep cleaning power, component protection, and proven results make it arguably the top-tier fuel system cleaner available in 2025. A wise choice for drivers committed to performance, reliability, and long-term maintenance. Liqui Moly Catalytic System Clean. The Liqui Moly Catalytic System Clean, 300 milliliters, approximately $22 to $23, is specifically designed to protect your catalytic converter from clogging with soot while also cleaning the fuel injection system and combustion chamber. It targets the often overlooked hotspots where carbon accumulates, improving fuel burn quality and reducing CO2 emissions, a winning formula for modern gasoline engines. Ease of use is a strong point. Add the entire 300 milliliter bottle to a tank up to approximately 70 liters, and as you drive, it automatically cleans, providing benefits for up to 2,000 kilometers. Suitable for all gasoline engines equipped with a catalytic converter, it's a universal fit cleaner that also supports turbocharged applications. User feedback is generally positive. On Amazon, the product holds a 4.2-star rating from over 1,700 reviews, with common reports of immediate performance improvements and smoother driving within 24 hours. One reviewer noted, "This stuff works fast. Drove on highway for 30 minutes. Check engine light is off, and I am happy." Another praised its build quality and ease of use. However, experiences vary. Some users see limited effects or temporary improvements, especially on older or heavily clogged systems. Real-world voices from Reddit advise caution. While some mechanics champion Liqui Moly, others consider chemical additives snake oil effective for minor buildup, but not a cure for major mechanical issues. In summary, Liqui Moly Catalytic System Clean is a well-formulated, mid-priced $22 additive that offers easy maintenance and measurable benefits for modern engines. It's not a miracle cure, but for preventative care and minor cleanup duties, it's a reliable option, especially for daily drivers looking for a quick and straightforward way to help maintain converter and combustion chamber health. Redline 60103SI-1. The Redline 60103SI-1 is a powerhouse cleaner designed to exceed expectations, and it delivers. Priced at around $55 for a 4-pack, 15 ounces each, this additive targets injectors, carburetors, valves, and combustion chambers using a potent mix of high and low temperature detergents. According to user feedback, it can improve fuel mileage by 5 to 6 miles per gallon and makes the engine quieter. One Amazon reviewer noted, "It gave my ODFI 6.2 mpg more per gallon, better throttle response, and lower idling RPM." From enthusiast forums, opinions remain strong. On r/civic, one user said after use, "Car drives better, seems to accelerate slightly better, and vibration on complete stop has reduced a bit," adding that stuff works fine for cleaning a bit and definitely won't hurt if used as directed. Professional users echo this sentiment. A Bobbus the Oil Guy member stated that SI-1 is probably the highest quality PE-based cleaner and felt it maintained injector performance even when used sparingly. Conversely, a few users found no change, or a temporary dip in miles per gallon, particularly if not following dosing guidelines. Consistency is key. Most recommend 1 full bottle per tank, especially to revitalize older or neglected systems. For preventative maintenance, many switch to occasional smaller doses once injectors are clean. Overall, SI-1 stands out for its effectiveness, though it's premium priced. If you have a clogged fuel system or want to keep things in top shape, it's worth the investment. For routine use, consider maintenance dosing or periodic treatment rather than frequent full bottles. Final verdict, 4.5 out of 5. A top-tier PA-based cleaner that truly performs, especially on dirty systems, with noticeable gains in smoothness, efficiency, and quiet operation. Maintenance dosing keeps benefits ticking over, though at its price, better used smartly than constantly. Lucas LUC 10013. Lucas Luque 10013. Fuel treatment, 32 ounces, approximately $32, is marketed as the world's #1 fuel additive for both gasoline and diesel engines, offering a complete tune-up in a bottle. It promises to clean injectors, carburetor, and combustion chamber, neutralize sulfur, prevent corrosion, boost MPG, power, and acceleration, plus lubricate pumps and injectors per Lucas's spec sheet. User reviews are largely positive. On Amazon, ratings average around 4.8 out of 5, with many reporting smoother engine operation, quieter idle, and improved mileage. For instance, one user reported MPG increases from 15 to 18 to 19 in a GMC Duramax, observing quieter diesel performance. Another praised how it eliminates cold startup chatter in a Tacoma. Independently, Summit Racing reviewers described it as totally amazing, citing better MPG and elimination of injector tapping noise, even negating the need for higher octane fuel. A Blingstrom blog test with a high-mileage turbo Subaru saw MPG increase by 1 to 2 during fill-ups after using Lucas at 3 ounces per 3/4 tank. However, forums such as Bob is the Oil Guy offer mixed opinions. Some users note it's essentially a light lubricating oil with limited cleaning effect. One commenter said Lucas products are lots of bark, no bite, and suggest better options for actual cleaning. Reddit users echo that no adverse effects, but express skepticism about measurable benefits. Verdict: Lucas L UC10013 delivers noticeable lubrication and may offer moderate MPG and noise reduction, especially in older or high-mileage engines. For serious carbon cleaning or injector restoration, stronger P-based cleaners like Redline SI1 or Chevron Techron may be more effective. It's a solid maintenance additive, but not a deep clean miracle.